Okay, here are 3 reasons why you haven't landed the QA role yet. 1, your resume is not competitive enough. You are telling a story that I'm just a front-end tester and I don't know nothing about automation. I don't know nothing about SQL. I don't know nothing about API testing. Look, you need to have different types of skill sets. It is too many people in this job market. You need to skill up. It's you, and be more competitive. Next, you're not telling a good career story. When you're in an interview, you are not speaking to what you did, why you did it, or what something is, why you did it, how you use it, and you're not speaking in scenarios to tell them a good story about how you actually understand to do the job and to answer questions. Then you just want to quote terms and tools and stuff like that. No, it's about actually telling the company why you're valuable and how you're actually going to help bring results to their QA team and their testing practices to ensure a bug and defect free quality software. And my favorite, all you're doing is hitting that easy